Hi, good morning. Today we are going to see about front office like a guest block, how to make a guest block for the reservations. So I'll show you that. On the left side top you can see the front office. So from here you have to click on this. Just come down reservations. So reservations you have to click on operations. So from here you have to get the guest block. Just type on the guest block. Now click on the guest block. See, from here you can see what are the fields we have. On the top we have two fields like a reservation number and expected arrivals on. See, from reservations you can get, based on the reservations you can get the block like a reservation number and expected arrivals on. So you can just click on the expected arrival on, it will show the date options. So from here you can enter this, so from which date you are going to make a block for that reservations. So based on today date also or future date also you can get from the expected arrivals on. Suppose if you want a particular reservations you have to make a block, so you just go with the reservation number, it is best options for that. So from here you can just go with the block. From here, so we have a various search engines is there, so based on that which we know, so according to that we have to select the reservations. Suppose if you know the guest name you have to go with the guest name, otherwise if you know the reservation number you have to get the reservation number. Otherwise suppose if you know the arrival date, so based on that, so which we know, I know that for example arrival date. So from here I'll just enter the date 080420, enter, search. See, this is my reservation number, Mr. Muhammad. Reservation number is RES224, so you have to select on this. So now I got the entire details for the reservation number RES224. So I have 4 rooms like in executive and superior. So first I'll just how to block. See, from here you have to click on this on the room number, so you have to press F1. I already informed you F1 is the information key from our software, so you just note it down, just press F1. So we'll get the concerned room type, so what are the rooms is available. So according to that we have to select the room. Suppose I'll give for 519, you have to double click on this. See, for each room there is a 2 packs. So second room you no need to press F1, you have to enter directly also 519 and the second room type. So press F1, 521 I'll give that. Same like that, you have to enter the second packs 521. Okay, now next superior I'll give 302, again 302. Now fourth room for the superior room category, I'll just press F1, I'll give for 303 and again 303. So now what we have to do, we have to just click save. What is the remarks? Remarks the guest block. I am doing the guest block. The reason is also guest request. So based on the guest request I am doing this. See, you just press F1, you can get the details. This is a guest request, the reason details. So now I'll just going to save. So block by means who has logged in the software, so that user ID will come for the blocked by. So suppose right now I have logged in like 4D ID, so the 4D ID will be a blocked by. So now I'll just make it save. So now the room has blocked successfully for that reservation number RES224. So this will be reflected in your room status chart as well as in future occupancy. In expected arrival report we can get the like reservations with the blocked rooms. So now we know that how to make a guest block. And same like that, suppose if they don't want that particular room, so how to release the room. Suppose the guest reservation is cancelled, so then how to release the room. So that also have to come with the guest block. So from here you have to go with this release. You can see the bottom release button is there. Select release and select the reservation number, select, it will show the entire reservations for that. Now you have to select each room number based, you have to click save, it will be released. So now the room number 51 will be released, again second packs and third. So each and every packs you have to release that. And next and the final one, so you have to make it released. So this is the way how to make a block as well as how to make a release for the reservations guest block. Thank you.